What's up, everyone? It's your boy Tyler. Yeah, I'm about to go to church, but I just wanted to do a quick video because I haven't done a video in a while. I will post more videos, but it's just been a busy week. So, I just wanted to talk about relationships and how to go about and going into relationships. I'm seeing all these young people, like, they try to go into relationships because they need to be in a relationship to feel validated and feel to fit in with the crowd, right? Bruh, let me tell you. Take your time being as friends first. In my situation, based on my experience, when you're in your younger years, you do a lot of flings. No, let's just be real, okay? We do a lot of flings and, being kopalekiki, and we go. That's how we get into relationships and you're having so much problems in your life because you guys don't take the time to know each other. If you take the time to know each other as friends first before we do anything else, you know what I mean? Your relationship is gonna go smooth because if you guys like each other as friends, then dude, it's gonna be amazing in a relationship. So just don't go in a relationship so fast and you don't get to know the person, because there's so many couples right now. It's like, oh my god, I'm so in love. Oh my god, I just love you. And it's been like within like 2 weeks. So be as friends first, guys. This is based on my experience. I don't speak for anybody else but myself. This is based on me. So I believe that you should definitely be as friends first before you go into a real relationship. Take the time to know the person. When you like them as a friend, it will grow into something more, like a tree, like a tree root. You know how the base of the tree, the trunk, you have to have a firm foundation, a firm friendship first, and then it branches up to how the branches goes to even more, maybe in a relationship, marriage, stuff like that. And it just goes out into many different pieces, but it starts as being friends first. You have to create that loving and committed friendship before you go into a relationship. But that's just me. But everybody has their own mga. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. Remember, take your time as friends and then go into a relationship. Yeah, bye.